Hello, welcome again to Wrench Forever. Sorry, I'm tired. But we are back on the Mazda speed now. We are going to finish taking the cylinder head out because the other day it was too cold and I was not having it. Obviously you can tell today is a lot better day. It's a lot nicer. It's a lot more, oh, too much sun, sorry. It's a lot nicer outside, so, and I'm also recording in AVHD because on 4K it decides to go off and shut off by itself because the camera is set up to only record for 30 minutes on 4K. So we're going to go on AVHD and see how it comes out. I don't know. Hopefully it comes out good. But yeah, let's begin. So I got the Mazda jacked up on jack stand. Well, the jack right now. I got to place jack stands under it. And it's all oil leaks from under the car. It's pretty bad. Super bad. But hold on. Just place it down here. So I don't want to damage my camera. I got soul. I'm super bad. Oh shit. That's my bumper. Okay. Cool. Kind of sketchy. Alright. Yeah. We got it on the jack stand, as you can see. Oh, now you decide to work. I wanted to work before. Probably a 19 too. Nope, it's a 21. Crap, I know I have a 21. So after years of nonsense, well, months of nonsense, apparently this earthquake gun wants to cooperate now. Probably spoke too soon because it's probably not going to work anymore. Yeah, 21 half inch. So I got that right there. Hold on, again. Sorry. Now this don't work. Crap. I have to go get my other 21, my crankshaft 21 from Job. Oh, swerve. We got it. That's not good. Why is there oil leaking out of there? It's not supposed to happen. Ugh. Gross. So I really don't want to mess around with it. Okay, so as you go, this one, how you like. There you go, right there. That's like, okay. And my hands are good. I'll put this back this way. So, okay. Now all we have to do is take our that crank. What's that? All this tiny shit. Take our little thing cover. And that should be about it. You got something around there. Okay, so I don't know. This way entirely. This way, no. It's quite. I should probably do this on this left right here. That's too tall. So I'm complicated source. There's this one. There's number one. And then I'll use number two. And then everything else is number three. That's how deep. There you go. It is. Think it is. Two. There you go. I guess it's. I think one right there. I should probably take. No, I shouldn't. Wait, it's not from now. So I'm over there by sort of. Okay. I might have 400 there. Sure. Okay, as you can see right here, right, it doesn't mess with the blade itself, it's just the bolts that go but then we always add a little tension, it's just a block as I remove, I think so, yeah. There you go. So I'm trying to, I'm just trying to get this in here. You can see that. So, back recording again. So now we gotta take an 8mm, get all these freaking bolts out. Guess it's annoying. So breaking all these things loose right here. So I can take off this timing cover. Oh, I gotta also take off that fucking tensioner. Fuck. One thing at a time. Alright, so I'm gonna go take all of these bolts out and I'll be right back. So right now, well, first things first, invest in power tools, guys, because I had this last time, it's driving me nuts. Just saying. So right now we're gonna try and take all these bolts out. So it's kind of annoying to hold the camera and do it. Oh shit. There we go. Oh, it's gonna strip. I don't know. Okay. That is the crankshaft sensor. Get that out the way. All these bolts out. The fun part is I'm trying to remember where the fucking bolts go. So yeah, that's always the fun part. Okay. Oh, it's like ADHD. Oh. So I got y'all back on the mini tripod now. So But yeah, I'm gonna get this out. That's okay, I'll that's hard. I'm gonna so much easier. Just do it that way. And then stuff your out. Like this. There. So take that out. This is going back over here. I'm gonna go to 212, 14. 14. Okay. I did, but I did. Okay. Okay. 3. These two. Right here. Under. Well, technically now this bitch is ready to come apart because I had to go get bolts out here and I couldn't hold the camera and do it at the same time. And it's not like I have like a very tall tripod where you can see what I'm doing, so yeah, just give me 1 second. I have to grab a big wrench so I can pry this son of a bitch loose because I forgot where I put my pry bar. But yeah, here we go. Oh, success. Okay. Mount you, I don't know. Uh-oh, shit. We got oil leaking all over the place now. Grab. It would have probably been a good idea to drain the oil first. Just saying. Right. This is probably gonna make quite a mess. Oh shit. So we got the cover off now, and pretty much this is the top of the timing cover and all that stuff. You can tell a lot of slack. But I have to go to Home Depot now and pick up some sand so I can clean up this mess that I've just made under my driveway. So yeah, give me a second. I'll be right back. So I'm back again. Sorry, I had to go eat lunch because I'm starving. You know, that's how it is. But so right there we have the timing chain out. We got bags of sand covering the oil, so we don't have any oil spillage. But we're gonna take the timing chain and everything out so I can finally get the cylinder head off. It's not like I'm just doing a timing chain job. I'm getting the cylinder head off, and we're gonna find out how many valves are bent in this bad boy. So now we're going to be pretty much taking this apart. Well, taking the chains and the timing chain tensioner apart down here. Well, it should be down there. Honestly. Okay, you can't see it from down here, but you probably gotta get it from on top. I think that's a 10, if I'm correct. That's open. You ever taken like a couple out and it's not the whole, it's like it's not it's like it's like and now, you can probably do the other should be done. That's just my own stuff. Yeah. We got black hands and everything else, so we got cigarette right now. I need to get something like the other plastic cars, I was designing. I was never wait, but right now this is good. So, ooh, what about the cans? That's weird. Black hands. So pretty much, we're gonna have these two things like these are going over here. Oh, one here is one of those sides. Okay, there's three here, and then these two. Well, that's got these. Great, let's go for them. Well, then that's out. Then that's out. Then hands. And where it is. Now you can see it. Now we're not going holes around. Those feet are bad. Did we still have? Oh, shit. Please God. No, not you. Everything else is moving now. Last one we did have to. Last one we did have to. Let's just try it. It has to be fucking low. So I got a fucking bitch. Had to be low, right? Had to be low. I'm sure. No way. Has to be one piece of shit in here. Okay. Well, this fucking thing's stripped. It's 12 point, but I'm micing a 12 point, a 6 point socket onto it, and I'm gonna use a 1/2 inch, and hopefully it don't break or strip. It comes out easy, man. Because I do not. Because those don't work, I'm gonna have to drill it out. And it didn't work. Fuck. Damn it. Fucking motherfucker. That's a fucking... Always has to be fucking something. Always, never fails. Oh, gotta be something holding me back. Son of a bitch. So now we got a major problem. Major problem where this cylinder head bolt is pretty fucked and it's stripped. So now we're gonna have to drill it out with my drill bits, which I just bought from pretty much Home Depot metal drill bit kit. This is some good shit.
Oh shit, I actually need to use that.
And this is me organizing my stuff. I don't know if I already showed you that. I was just running around for the past hour and a half getting drill bits and tools and extractors for this stupid bolt that snapped. So now we're going to have to drill. So let me put you right over here where you can view. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Fuck, does this thing work? Oh, here we go.
Leave it to me walking.
These are good drills. Some of the best in the business. What? Thank you, Matt, for his fucking drill. So now we're gonna have to drill. What?
Let's take the camera and go closer.
You want to take the camera and what?
Get it closer.
I'm gonna have to fucking send this head out to get a fucking machine, not machine, but steam cleaned. I wish there was like a fucking higher thing I could put up here. That piece of wood on your side. How's it coming?
What?
How's it going?
Don't ask questions right now. Just don't ask questions. Not the time to ask questions. Right now, I'm just like, fucking hate this shit. Because it always has to be the last bolt to give you a fucking problem. You have safety glasses?
I don't think I have any in the car. I'm gonna go check though.
You have sunglasses? Oh,
I got sunglasses, yeah.
sunglasses too. Oh no, they're Always wear safety glasses, kids. Always wear safety. You can actually.
Oh no, I got it.
No, you can
Oh yeah, I know. I flipped it that way so I can see. Oh, okay.
always wear your safety glasses. Now we're just gonna go bigger and bigger.
Let me get a quick shot in there.
Okay. Now we're just gonna keep drilling. Oh boy. magnet. So it's all swarf. So this is all the metal swarf from the bolt. Do not drop my camera. I will be buying you a new one.
Smells like chicken. Hey man. What's up, dude?
Okay.
Back to business. And this is a 6-speed, right?
Yep. There we go.
Oh, it snapped the head? Oh, hold on.
You heard that?
Oh, yeah.
This how you can loosen this.
Yeah.
Loosen this. Spin the thing.
Oh, that way?
And then you can tilt.
Okay.
And then this.
Yeah, I got that.
So here we go. Now we got the broken head stud, pretty much, which I had to drill out, as you can see. That's how it's done. That's how you don't. This is last resort because we used extractors and this and that, 12-point sockets, but it's stripped. But this is what you don't want to do because now you have, let's see how much metal is worth. Now you got all this metal in the cylinder head, which you don't want going circulating in your oil system because then you're gonna lose bearings. So now we gotta send the cylinder head out, either get cleaned or I gotta do it myself. But I don't know. Depending on the pricing, I don't know how much it's gonna cost me. These are safety glasses, hopefully. It's DOT certified. Even the color, so don't mind it. But yeah, now we gotta clean off the swarf as much as we can with the magnet. You know, in the reoccurring area of crap. Let's see. You gotta get all the schmutz out the motor. So now it's gonna be like that. Tap. Schmutz. We have a 0 schmutz tolerance.
No schmutz in my house.
Yeah. Whew. This is what I had to do in Gardy shop for 2 of these bolts. Motherfuckers. At least you were here for one of them, so you know how it goes now. Bolt snaps? Call Kyle.
Yeah, I need to borrow this set.
Well, it's only $34 at Home Depot.
No, just let me borrow this shit, y'all.
Why?
I need to drill out a bolt on the on the strut mount on the Corolla. That's it.
So we're fucked. Okay. So
Now we're gonna remove the rest of the bolts. Oh, are you kidding me right now? Don't tell me it's fucking 2 for 2. I know I broke this one loose. Oh shit. Not out the woods yet, guys. Not out the woods yet. Okay, we are out the woods. Ooh. These are all the gunked up head bolts. Ugh. Guess what's going in there? Head studs.
Looks like it's just this.
Yeah, I'm pulling my back out to do that, so.
Oh, you gotta go back.
No, I don't.
Your back's younger than mine.
My back is fucked. I've been doing this every day for fucking 12 years. 14, sorry.
Just kidding.
It's not. It's like fucking like a 40-year-old back.
Alright, there you gotta go. Now I'm gonna break my fingers down.
About the fuel lines.
Nothing else is over there.
They are expensive. Fucking privilege. They take that shit.
Yeah. Oh, the twat.
There we go. Up. What's holding it?
I don't know. Try it out.
Oh, this.
Oh, I see it right there.
Is that EGR?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah, you.
So, I'm recording. So, now we have the head off, as you can tell. Oh shit. And the reason why I was losing compression was, if you can tell, hold it.
I got it.
Don't tilt it too far back.
I got it.
Intake, this exhaust valve on cylinder 1 was pretty much chipped up. I don't know how the fuck that happened. That's insane. And pretty much that's what was causing the compression. Zero compression on cylinder 1. Otherwise it would have ran a little better, but I don't know what the fuck happened. That's insane. I've never seen that before. But I gotta pull the valves out and make sure the valve seats are good. And yeah, so we were looking at, you can drop it. Don't drop it too hard. Not that hard.
That wasn't too hard.
It's on the ground still. So this is cylinder 1. And as you can tell, that chippage, there's pieces of metal going around in the motor. And by God's good graces, you can tell there's no scoring. It's all shiny. Cross hatching is still good. Hold on, there might be a little bit of scoring, I'm not sure. Let me check. Nope, we're good. So, there is no scoring from what I can see. It looks, oh wait, hold on, I see cross hatching on this one. Spin the crank again. Spin it. Well, you can tell there's cross hatching in that one, like obvious cross hatching. Stop. There's cross hatching. Spin it again. There's obvious cross hatching on all 3 cylinders, 2, 3, and 4. But 1, keep going down.
Alright, stop right there. Hold on. I mean, there's like, hold on. This is obvious. You can see some cross hatching. This one, it seems more polished than cross hatched. Oh shit, you might have a block issue. Let's see. It's I don't know if you can see it. It's like very, very faint cross hatching. You can still see it, but compared to this one, I don't know what the fuck that was. My wrench, sorry, don't worry about that. Like this one, you can see the cross hatching. It's like obvious. This one, it's like very faint. It almost looks like a polished bull. Cross hatching. Oh shit, this might be a fucking problem. Fuck. It's probably from all the fuel washing it out. It's not scored. Fuck. Do I chance it? Because you can't fucking hone it too much. Because then it'll fuck, it's only fucking, it's not sleeved, but it's got, fuck.
It's a closed deck.
No, it's got, it doesn't have any metal sleeves, it's just,
It's open deck.
It's not open deck.
It's a half open deck.
It doesn't have a metal liner, it's just they weld the metal liner in the block.
Oh, so it's
And you-
kind of sleeve.
You can only you can't machine it too much. It's like 3/1000ths, I think. I mean, there's one fucking groove right there. Oh, there's also, oh. You can see it now, right over here, there's a groove. That's shit. And the gap's a lot tighter on this fucking thing compared to, well, we'll fucking fix it and see how much compression it does. It's like very faint cross hatching. You could see it, but it's like fucking not that obvious. And cross hatching is important, so you hold oil in the cylinders and it lubricates the piston, so it doesn't score up the cylinder walls. Like, see, that's obvious cross hatching. That is like fucking mirror finish type of shit, which is not, you could see it very closely, but not that good. Ah, fuck. Alright. Well, that does it today for Jumpsuit Mafia. We might be fucked, we might not be fucked. Who the fuck knows? But we'll figure it out. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.